Hello everybody! Today we are going to talk about Custom CRM Development Cost. This video will answer the following questions. What factors influence Custom CRM Development Cost? How to reduce Custom CRM Development Cost? We selected two custom CRMs developed by Rafael specialists, which will demonstrate their capabilities in custom development cost. High-quality individual business solutions are always a guarantee of success. Unlike a box CRM, even the most multifunctional and innovative, a custom solution will always be adapted exactly to your tasks. Moreover, modern developers today offer CRM solutions that are based on processes already existing in the customer company. This allows you to start using it immediately without waiting for employees to get used to it, undergo training and make mistakes at the initial stage. Another difference between a custom CRM and a boxed one is the ability to use not only functions, ideas and technologies, but also to use the psychological aspects of the attractiveness of the finished product for a potential audience. This is working with colors and the introduction of corporate elements and the selection of unique fonts. All this is difficult to implement in a ready-made CRM provided to a wide range of users. But in a custom CRM, attention to detail will be great. There are three main factors that influence the total custom CRM development cost you should know about. Their complexity. The more difficult the task assigned to the CRM developers, the more effort, time and experience they will have to apply. All this, of course, affects custom CRM development cost. And the more complex the functionality of the system that you need, the higher its cost will be. The level of skills of developers. Be sure that a skilled pro will provide you with the CRM you want, while a beginner will not create an impeccable product. Some companies use that hint to increase the average cost of their CRM development services due to their storing pros who will work on your project. The number of users is also important. The more staff will use the custom CRM, the higher the total amount will be. This parameter includes both the need to develop for a certain number of users and the cost of setting up CRM in the workplace and basic staff training. Consequently, it also affects custom CRM development cost. Custom CRM development cost examples. In order not to be unsubstantiated, we offer you to take a look at some of our projects. In the example, it is very well seen what the cost of custom CRM consists of. Of course, everything depends on the individual needs of your business, but this case will help you better understand the overall picture. iMover CRM. Advanced CRM solution from Racksoft which automate the processes of ordering and moving works. Custom CRM service a group of transportation companies. Users of CRM are more than 200 employees, namely agents, managers, drivers, estimators, and installers. CRM system supports more than 1,500 orders a year. The software has two versions, web for agents and managers, as well as mobile for drivers. The main modules of this custom CRM have the following functionality. Internal telephony. Each agent has a separate phone and a phone number. When a client calls the company phone, the telephony distributes this call to all phones available to agents. Automated reminder to customers. When the client has made a request but hasn't made a prepayment, the system sends out reminder letters, emails and SMS. Work time efficiency. Custom CRM allows for optimizing the workload of the labor resources and minimizing the idea time for drivers using the Gantt chart. The system allows for synchronizing the tasks of different teams. For example, a driver can be involved in another move while his current move is at the packing stage. Widget for moving requests. When generating a moving request through the site, the system synchronizes all the scheduled moving requests and the customer sees which move order is available. Also, the widget shows the number of moves performed and the average check at the address specified by the client. Management of requests. CRM includes a list of stages, providing management of requests from the moment of registration to the execution of work and acceptance of payment. Customer history. The CRM automatically generates a client's history, which includes a chronology of contacts between the company's specialist and the client, calls, correspondence, SMS, email, a list of requests, etc. Payroll. The CRM automatically credits salaries to the company's employees. Online payment. The client has an opportunity to pay the deposit for relocation using a bank card. Payment for the move can be made by card, check, or in cash. The modules listed above are just basic functionality. This client has worked with Racksoft for over 5 years, and during this time we developed many additional modules and features. Nevertheless, for ease of calculation, we'll consider only these basic modules so that you have an idea of how much money you might need at the initial stage. Development time costs. Design 428 hours, backend 1240 hours. Front-end 616 hours, QA 320 hours, PM 360 hours. Requirement specification writing 160 hours. So, as you can see, the development of such a custom CRM requires 5-6 months, 3,120 hours. Accordingly, its final cost will be about $110,000. To calculate the cost, we took the average rate of Racksoft developers, about $35–40 per hour. The cost of development may be larger by 1.5–2 times if you use the services of IT companies from the USA or Western Europe, where the average rate is about $70–100 per hour. Rafael's Barbershop CRM. Another great example of custom CRM created by other professionals. In this case, we are talking about custom CRM for small businesses, namely a barbershop. The customer wanted all the data in the CRM, customer database services provided, to be as secure as possible, while the ready-made CRM didn't give such opportunities. This CRM consists of the following modules. Scheduling component. Functionality for booking a visit in the calendar has the ability to create a waiting list, which allows you to visit the barbershop when the specialists have free time. Online payment system. Online payment system which allows you to pay for your services using bank cards. Email SMS sending system. Automated sending of SMS or email to remind your clients about appointments. It also includes an anti-spam system, for example, SMS confirmation of the client's phone number during booking a visit. Client history. Custom CRM automatically generates a history of the client, which includes a chronology of SMS, email informing, and a list of ordered services. Human resources management. The admin rights manager has the ability to manage the personnel of the barbershop, work schedule, list of services, rate, info in the cart of the specialist. In total, the development of this product took the following amount of time. Specification and prototypes 160 hours, PM 80 hours, design 40 hours, front-end 160 hours, back-end 160 hours to 200 hours, QA 30 hours, total 670 hours. In 3 months, we managed to create a fully working version of the product. The cost of development such a custom CRM will cost about $20,000. Top 3 recommendations on how to reduce custom CRM development cost. In Racksoft, we proved that the custom CRM development cost system shouldn't be sky high. We have some tips on how to reduce the cost of a custom CRM you need for your business. Here they are. Hiring Ukrainian outsourcing CRM development team. The lion's share of the CRM development cost is the cost of the brains, time and skills of specialists who develop it. But experienced pros live not only in Silicon Valley and not only in the United States. Many customers complain about too inflated developer salaries in America, and yet there is already an alternative. For example, Ukraine is famous for its intellectual resources in the field of IT, while the average salaries of Ukrainian developers are several times lower than in America. This does not affect the quality of tasks, only CRM development costs. Moreover, the developers are ready to work in client mode, have a high level of English proficiency, and in general are able to compete with their colleagues from the United States. Portfolio speaks better than words. Never forget that the miser pays twice. Often the most dainty prices are set by those companies that do not have the competence to deal with CRM at all. Therefore, look not only at the CRM development cost, but also at the completed projects available to the developers. This is the case when the presence of a portfolio for the conclusion of the contract is required. Starting with MVP is a bingo. If you have not enough money for a fully developed product, it is no problem. Just start with MVP and then add its functions you may need further. This strategy allows you to pay partially while keeping the initial CRM development cost low at the beginning while getting a custom CRM for your goals just from the start. If you need a consultation or development of a custom CRM, follow the link below the video. Hope this video was useful and interesting for you. Follow our YouTube channel and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.